If I had a girlfriend, you would see it in the way I write. I would immortalize her in my poems, weaving the beauty of her soul into every line. If I finally found love, you would see the signs, the way I would come back to life like a blossoming flower I would shine. You would see it in the way my mind would drift, with a quiet smile on my lips, in the time when I was with her, remembering every moment when I felt alive. You would see it in the way my eyes would smile, with emotions that no word could express. Whenever someone speaks her name, my heart would fill with happiness, not pain. Each time I heard her voice or replied something she once said, I would be reborn. The anniversary of our relationship would become my true birthday. The inspiration for this poem was how true love can change and transform a person for the better, especially for poets and those who feel deeply. When they love with their whole heart, and that is hard to hide. You don't even have to ask, you can see the signs. This is one of my favorite poems I've written, and I truly hope you enjoyed listening to it as much as I enjoyed writing it. If you made it this far, it will mean the world to me if you liked this video and subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.